In this video, I'm going to show you how to stake Solana natively from the Fireblocks dashboard. So I'm here in my Fireblocks console, and there's a new tab here called staking. From here, I can click on stake, choose the asset I want to stake, which is currently available for Solana, choose the vault that I want to stake from, the amount, let's say 10 Sol, choose the Kiln validator, and hit create stake. So this has submitted the transaction, and I'm going to get it, the signature request in my Fireblocks app. I can review that and approve it. Okay, I've approved it. Now it's broadcasting to the network. I can see some details about the transaction here. So for example, I can go and see it on the Block Explorer, and I can see that it's just gone through on chain. And in a second, I'll be able to see also on this page the details of that transaction. So this is a previous one that I had submitted, which I did just earlier, 10 minutes ago, so it's still in activating state. It takes 2 to 3 days for your stake to be activated on Solana. Okay, that's now complete. If I refresh the stake accounts, here we go. I can see my new 10 Sol stake that I just did. Thanks for watching.